Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are in the best of your health and iman. Today we are going to read unit number 6 of grade 5. The name of unit number 6 is Look After Yourself. It's about how to take care of ourselves. As you can see on page 45, you can see a doctor and he is pointing out some cards that are displayed on the notice board. It is written on the first card, always take care of yourself. Always drink clean water is written on the second note. An apple a day keeps the doctor away is written on the third note. And health is wealth is written on the fourth note. All these cards are related toward looking after ourselves and our health. Let's begin our reading. Look after yourself. Fiza and her class fellows are excited today. Dr. Saad is going to visit their school. He will talk to them about how to look after themselves. The children are eager to learn about it. In this unit, there is a dialogue between a doctor and a class. The class, Fiza and her class fellows are waiting for Dr. Saad because he will give them a lecture about how one can look after themselves. The children are very much excited and they are very much eager to know about the ways one can take care of their health. इस यूनिट में फ़िज़ा और उसके क्लास फेलोज़ डॉक्टर साद का वेट कर रहे हैं, उनका इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं क्योंकि डॉक्टर साद ने उनको लेक्चर देना है अपने सेहत का ख्याल रखने के बारे में। तो बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं और वो बहुत ज़्यादा वेट कर रहे हैं इस चीज़ का कि वो जाने अबाउट हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ़ देमसेल्व्स। सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू आवर रीडिंग। द फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर ऑफ दिस स्टोरी इज़ डॉक्टर साद. Then there is Maryam, Aksa and Jamila. Let's see what are they talking about. Dr. Saad. Hello children, hope you all are fine. Today I am going to talk to you about how to look after yourself. Now can you tell me how we can stop germs from spreading? Maryam. We should wash our hands with soap after touching something dirty. Aksa. We should also wash our hands with soap before eating and after using the toilet. Dr. Saad. That's right. Germs from your hands can go into your mouth and make you ill. We should also be careful about the type of food we eat and the type of water we drink. Jamila. We shouldn't eat too much junk food. Dr. Saad. Yes, it is very important to eat healthy food. It keeps us strong and fit. We should always drink clean water, but sometime we get ill. Can anybody tell me what we should do if we feel sick? Maryam, go to the doctor. Sara, take medicines. On this page, we learned that Dr. Saad has visited their class. Fiza and her class fellows are waiting for Dr. Saad. And then we learned that Dr. Saad greeted the children and he asked their health. And then he told them that he will tell them about how to look after themselves. And then he asked a question from the students that can anybody tell me how can one stop germs from spreading? So Maryam told Dr. Saad that we must wash our hands with soap after touching something dirty. Then Aksa said that we also must wash our hand with soap before eating and after using toilet. And Dr. Saad confirmed that yes, we must do both these things to keep our hands clean and to stop germs from getting from our hands into our mouth. If germs get from our hands to our mouth, we will get ill. Then he says that we should also be careful of the type of food and the type of water we eat. We must eat healthy food and drink clean water, and we have to avoid eating junk food. And Jamila said that this point was pointed out by Jamila that we shouldn't have to eat too much junk food, and Dr. Saad confirmed that it is very important to eat healthy food because it makes us strong and fit. And if we drink clean water, we will be fine, otherwise we get ill. And then he asks that what should one do when he or she become ill. So Maryam replied that we should go to a doctor if we should become ill, and Sara said that we should take medicine when we become ill. इस यूनिट में हमने पढ़ा कि डॉक्टर साद फ़िज़ा और उसके क्लास में आने वाले हैं और उनको सेहत के बारे में लेक्चर देने वाले हैं। फिर हमने ये देखा कि डॉक्टर साद ने आए और बच्चों को जो है वो सलाम किया, फिर उनकी सेहत का पूछा और फिर उन्होंने उनको बताया कि आज वो उनको सेहत के बारे में लेक्चर देने वाले हैं। फिर उन्होंने उनसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा कि हम जरासीम को कैसे रोक सकते हैं। तो मरियम ने कहा कि हम जरासीम को हाथ धोकर रोक सकते हैं, कि हम अपने हाथ धो लें। अगर हम किसी गंदी चीज़ को छू लेते हैं तो हमें अपने हाथ धो लेने चाहिए। फिर अक्सा ने कहा कि हमें खाना खाने से पहले और टॉयलेट यूज़ करने के बाद भी जो है वो साबुन से हाथ धोने चाहिए। फिर डॉक्टर साद ने कहा कि हाँ बिल्कुल ये आपने सही कहा, और क्योंकि इस तरह ये होगा कि जर्म्स हमारे हाथों से हमारे मुंह तक नहीं जाएंगे और हम बीमार नहीं पड़ेंगे। और डॉक्टर साद ने फिर कहा कि हमें ये भी देखना चाहिए कि हम किस किस्म का खुराक खा रहे हैं और किस किस्म का पानी पी रहे हैं। हमें चाहिए कि हम हेल्दी खुराक खाएं और साफ़ पानी पिएं। फिर जमीला ने कहा कि हमें जंक फूड नहीं खाना चाहिए। जंक फूड फास्ट फूड्स होते हैं जिसमें टू मच ऑफ ऑयल एंड टू मच ऑफ कैलोरीज होती हैं, जो हमारी सेहत के लिए सही नहीं होता। डॉक्टर साद ने कहा कि यस ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि हमें हेल्दी फूड हमें स्ट्रॉन्ग रखता है और हमें फ़िट रखता है, और अगर हम साफ़ पानी पिएंगे तो हम बीमारियों से बचेंगे। बट अगर हम बीमार पड़ भी जाएं तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, डॉक्टर साद ने बच्चों से ये पूछा। तो मरियम ने उनसे कहा कि हमें डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए, और सारा ने कहा कि हमें जो है वो दवाई लेनी चाहिए। On the next page we have Dr. Saad. Yes, but you should tell your parents or elders first. Don't ever take any medicine unless your elders give it to you. It's very dangerous. Never take medicine on an empty stomach. It can cause a lot of problems. Try to take plenty of water with medicine. Always remember, children, looking after yourself is very important. Dr. Saad is confirming Sara that we have to take medicine, but first we have to tell our parents and our elders about our illness, and if they give us any medicine then we should take it, but we should not take any medicine by our own, because it can cause many problems and it is very dangerous for health as well. And he says that never take any medicine on an empty stomach, because it can cause many complications, it can cause many problems regarding health, and it can damage our stomach as well. Then he says that try to take plenty of water with medicines, because it will help the medicine to dissolve quickly. Always remember, he says that always remember, children, looking after yourself is very much important, because health is wealth. If there is health then there is everything. सो चिल्ड्रंस हमने इसमें पढ़ा कि डॉक्टर साद ने सारा को कंफर्म किया कि हाँ हमें मेडिसिन लेनी चाहिए जब हम बीमार पड़ जाए, लेकिन डॉक्टर साद ने ये भी कहा कि हमें मेडिसिन तब लेनी चाहिए जब हमारे पेरेंट्स या हमारे बड़े हमें वो मेडिसिन देते हैं तब। हमें कोई भी मेडिसिन ख़ुद से नहीं लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा ख़तरनाक हो सकता है। हमें खाली मैदा पे या फिर एम्प्टी स्टमक या निहार मुँह कोई भी टैबलेट नहीं खाना चाहिए, कोई भी मेडिसिन नहीं लेनी चाहिए, बिकॉज़ ये बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेशंस पैदा करते हैं हेल्थ के हवाले से, ये हमारे मैदे को डैमेज कर सकते हैं। इसी तरह डॉक्टर साद ने ये बताया कि हमें मेडिसिन के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पीना चाहिए ताकि वो मेडिसिन जल्दी डिज़ोल्व हो सके। और हमेशा ये याद रखें कि सेहत का ख्याल रखना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि तंदुरुस्ती हज़ार नेमत है। So children, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you have learnt about how to look after yourself, and I hope you will be able to look after yourself now, and I hope that you will adopt healthy eating habits and good hygiene habits. Now let's move to the vocabulary of this unit, and that the first letter is look after. Look after mean to take care of. Eager, to show interest in learning about something. Germ, a very small living being that can make us ill. Elder, older, more grown up. Remember, to recall. So my dear students, this was the end of the lecture. I hope you enjoyed reading it. Until next time, take care of your health and take care of your families as well. Allah Hafiz.